In today's world of home design, innovation meets style with the long spout black shower faucet, a standout piece available at Aliexpress. Combining aesthetics with functionality, this multifunctional faucet brings a touch of elegance and modernity to any bathroom or bathtub setup. Crafted from high-quality 300 stainless steel, it promises durability and a sleek, contemporary look that complements various decor styles. The long spout black shower faucet is a striking addition to any bathroom with its bold black finish. The faucet's sleek and minimalist design is perfect for those who appreciate modern, industrial, or even eclectic interiors. The matte black coating not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also helps resist fingerprints and water spots, ensuring your faucet remains pristine with minimal maintenance. One of the standout features of this faucet is its multifunctionality. The long spout black shower faucet is designed to accommodate both hot and cold water with ease, providing a customizable bathing experience. Whether you prefer a refreshing cold shower or a warm, relaxing bath, this faucet has you covered. In addition to its primary functions, the faucet includes a versatile spray bidet attachment. This feature enhances the faucet's utility, making it ideal for various bathroom needs. The spray bidet function is particularly useful for personal hygiene and can be a great addition to any modern bathroom setup. Constructed from 300 stainless steel, the long spout black shower faucet is built to withstand daily use and resist corrosion. Stainless steel is renowned for its strength and durability, making this faucet a long-lasting choice. The material also contributes to the faucet's sleek appearance and easy maintenance,